Hi, this is Kai Mohammed. Today is 1st December 2023 and the Victory Month has also just started in Bangladesh and now it's cold over here. Mainly the month of November, December and January are the winter months over here, and during this month there are so many dust and pollutants in the air, and the kids and the elderly are mostly the sufferer of different types of allergic diseases due to dust and pollutants. So today I will discuss about the diseases of winter months and how we can keep ourselves safe from these diseases. And in the next part of the video, I will show you how to clean the window screens and the sliding screen doors at home. So there goes my video.
During the winter season, diseases like asthma, bronchitis, colds and fevers increase in Bangladesh. This is mainly due to the presence of dust and pollutants. A significant amount of dust enters homes from outside due to limited rainfall and dryness. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable. However, we can take steps to protect our loved ones. To reduce dust and pollutants in our homes during the winter season, we can follow some tricks such as keep windows closed, but if it gets stuffy, open doors and windows, but be sure to close the window screens or screen doors. Regularly clean your furniture and appliances with a damp cloth or microfiber duster. Use a humidifier to maintain proper humidity levels, which can help you breathe better. If someone in your family smokes, encourage them to do it outside to keep your indoor air clean. Don't forget to wash your beddings and curtains regularly. On high pollution days, keep your windows closed, but use exhaust fans in the kitchen and bathroom to expel indoor pollutants. Have essential medicines at home as prescribed by the doctor to be prepared for any winter illness. These simple steps can help you reduce the risk of winter diseases and keep your home clean and healthy.
Hi, welcome back. Now I will show you how to clean the window screen or sliding screen door at home. The easiest way to clean the sliding screen door is to use Screen Magic Cleaner. But right now, hopefully you will see the Screen Magic Cleaner in the screen. Unfortunately, right now I don't have Screen Magic Cleaner. That's why I will use a solution made by me at home. I will give a link in the description how to create the solution. I found it in the wikihow.com. So let's get started. So I will use the same spray bottle. Here it's filled with the solution. It's made of dish wash soap and white vinegar. You'll find in your kitchen. I'm using a paintbrush to clean the sliding screen door. Now you will see how many dust over there in the sliding screen door. See, hopefully you can see the amount of dust in the sliding screen door. Now we'll go to clean it, and after washing it I will show you how it looks like. Okay. So let's get started.
Chase, got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game
guys, I'm done with cleaning the sliding screen door. A bit tired. Now I will show you how it looks like after cleaning. So take a close shot, please. Can you see any difference now? Before and after. It was full of dust before. Right now it's clean and clear. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share and click on the bell icon. Bye bye. Take care.